Hello, hello. What is going on, everybody? It's your girl, certified by Corbin. I'm so happy to be here with you guys. This is my first reaction video. I really wanted to do this because, one, I'm a professional dancer myself. If you don't know, I have worked for the Queen, Miss Beyonce. I've worked for Lizzo, love her. I've worked with Genuine back in the day. I've worked with NERD, Pharrell, and I'm currently a dancer for Megan Thee Stallion. Been with that girl for the past 2 years, so I've definitely been around the industry. And my sister is a huge Ateez fan. And so about a year ago, actually, she was like, Corbin, you have to watch this video. You got to watch this K-pop group. And I was like, K-pop? What? Girl, no. But she made me watch Ateez's one of their first videos they dropped. And they were actually called KQ Fellas at the time. And they were dancing like in a parking lot. When I tell you guys, I was like, who do these boys think they are? Dancing like they black. What? I was blown away. I was so blown away. I said, okay, let me see what these boys talking about. And I have been an Ateez ever since, right? That's their fan name. So during COVID, I've been seeing like, okay, a lot of people are doing reaction videos. And I was like, let me see what this is about. So I really wanted Ateez to be my first group I did a reaction video to. I've actually come to really enjoy the Korean pop music. It's very different from what American music is about. They dance, and being that I'm a dancer, I've really enjoyed like watching them, their performance. They perform their behinds off. Nowadays, a lot of artists, they're not really dancing like they used to, So I've really enjoyed it, and I've that's what I've been listening to mostly, right? It's been K-pop groups. So I've enjoyed it a lot. So I was like, why not do, a reaction video? And I'm super excited. I wanted Ateez to be my first group. I did one too. So with that being said, you guys are about to get certified by your girl today. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. They already got me. Okay, so what? Yo, son. I love the black. Son, in this crop top, I love. Oh, Mindy. Hey, let's go. Hey, ha, ha. Beat. Go on, boys. Their visuals, you guys, are so amazing. Hey, this is catchy. Oh, Leo. These boys are so handsome, it don't make no sense. Ooh, yeah. He is so handsome. Give it to me, your son. The visuals are dope. Let's go. Come on, niece. Ooh, I love. Hey. I love this part. ha, ha. Yes. Why is Yango always by fire? Sound is pain. I love it. Woo! They're visuals. I can't. Oh! Yes, shoulders. They look so freaking good, you guys. It don't make no sense. This red and black looks really good. Who do they think they are? Let's go. Ha. Transitions. They look so good. Yep. Yo, son. Ooh. I love. What is going on? You know what? Ateez, I can't stand you. I loved this music video. I've literally been waiting for like 2 weeks. I wanted to do this, and then I'm gonna do the dance practice after this. But one thing I can say about Ateez is that these boys are known for dancing. They're known for performing. I've never seen them miss a camera shot. I've never seen them miss a beat. Like, these boys are known for effing it up. I'm not about to be out here cursing or whatever. But they are known for going off. So, I love this. I definitely feel like it's a different vibe. Ateez, for my opinion, is known for being more like good boy, right? And so I'm definitely seeing a bad boy side come out, and I'm loving it. Loving. Yo, their transitions, their fluidity of movement, they'll go from being, you know, completely soft and doing whatever to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love it. I love the switch up. What I really like, is their, Yosan, right? So he's usually known for kind of being in the back, being the quiet one. He's the face of he's the visual of the group. Yes, but never really had moments. And I'm really starting to see, them giving Yosan more moments. Like this at the end, and he was doing something like this, and he was full face to the camera. He had so many visuals. I love that. San, I can't stand you. Your abs. I love it. The look, the vibe that you guys are going off with him. I love me some Wooyoung. He's the bad boy of the group, the sexy boy, as you name him. Sangwa, too handsome for his own good. Hongjoon, love it. I love the hair. I really love how they put these boys together. That was a really great music video. So round of applause. Very good. So let's go and see a dance practice. Because one thing that I personally know is that things are cleaner. You can see details more in the dance practice because you don't have all the background visuals kind of going on. So let me see what my boys like giving some me today. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. They don't miss the beat either. That's one thing I know about my boys. That's really nice. I love me some song. And I appreciate the dancers because they be one off too. Let's go. Hey. Woo! Them shoulders be going, boy. always be doing like technical stuff, like never been. Woo, woo. Okay, well, young, I see you, boo. I love this bad boy. Oh, these shoulders are taking me out. Hey, hey. Like, y'all don't understand. They are full out dancing their whole show and they be singing. Oh, come on, girls. It makes me want to go up and dance with these boys. Yes, the fluidity of their movement. Yeah. These shoulders. Maybe full out. Ooh, come on, girl. Give me the neck. Let's go. 6. Hey. Heel toe, heel toe. Ha, ha. Yes, come on. I want to dance with them. Oh, come on, Elsa. Give it to me. I love it. I really do. My favorite K-pop group by far. I'm known for being a performer myself. I absolutely love Ateez. At first, you know, it definitely was a culture shock of about like how they run certain things, you know, the type of what should I say? Call it positions that they have per, you know, how they create their group. I'll say, you know, it's not really something that we do in America. You know, their visuals, like their lead dancer, their lead singer, and then you know, who's your bias, like certain things like that. I was like, what? Like, what does that mean? I didn't get it, but it's definitely by getting into this, you know, getting into this Korean culture, it's really allowed me to branch out and to understand and to learn different things. And these boys work so hard. They work so hard, and to see like where they've started to see where they are right now, it's definitely been an amazing journey to be on with them. You know, being an 18, I love you know, what their management has been doing with them. I can only imagine where they're going to be at in the next, you know, few months, few years. You know, just wait till COVID's over. Best believe, honey, I'll be at a concert. Don't pull me up on stage, okay? I'm just kidding. No, but I'm so excited you guys got on here with me. If you liked, press the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. This is one of many to come, and drop in the comments what other videos you guys would like for me to react to. I'm super excited for this new journey. And yeah, come get certified with your girl. Mwah.